Wow. What's going on with y'all TF gang? It's your boy TitanicFeetJack back at you with another video. Today we got some heat on deck as usual. But before we get into today's video, y'all send a shout out to the new members of the TF gang. Appreciate y'all. Welcome to the family. And if you would like to be a part of the TF gang, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Turn on those post notifications so you know every time a video is uploaded on this channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what city you're watching from. And let me know what you think of the video and the shoe we're reviewing. And you too can see everything the TF gang has been seeing thus far. Getting into today's shoe, we have a Jordan box. Got the red Jumpman on top. It's a fold over box with the salt and pepper on the sides, the black bottom. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Air Jordan 6 Retro Q54 color. Let's see. It says sail, black, and team orange. Size 10.5. Price is $200 US. Let's go ahead and get these out. Flip open the top. You have your black trash bag paper. And wow, we got the Quai 54 6s. This is the pair that's released to us in the US in the men's size. I'm gonna get the other sneaker out of the box and we're gonna begin this. Okay, guys, let's get into the shoe. You got your Quai 54, Jordan 6, the men's pair. Like I said, this pair released for men in the US, and that we're a grade school pair that was a different colorway they released just for the kids here in the US. However, that pair that released for the kids here in the US did release in men's overseas. So if you see that pair and would lack them in the men's size, you probably have to get it off the secondary market because they released already overseas. But looking at the upper of this shoe, the leather is nice and tumbled on these. I'm not sure did people sleep on these because there was not a lot of talk about these, but I mean, they use some pretty good leather on here. But before I go any further, Quai 54 is a basketball tournament that happens every year in Paris, France. And Jordan comes out with these sneakers in collaboration every year for that tournament. So that's what Quai 54 is for the people that don't know. But the leather is tumbled on your upper, very tumbled. And you have your pattern behind here. This material on here is kind of like if you had a pair of retro 6s before, this is the same material that they use, almost like some type of cloth or denim per se. And the designs, I guess the designs have something to do with the Quai 54 basketball tournament that you see here on the upper. Your midsole, you got that sail colorway on your midsole, matching that sail tumbled leather on your upper. And you got sail colorway in the translucent form right here and around your air housing. You can see you got a white air system in here, and you got the clear bubble, and it leads to your outsole. Outsole sail translucent sail colorway as well. And you have that black Jordan Jumpman logo. Looking at the heel of these, you got Nike Air stitched on in black. And you have that black line going across your heel tab. They use some pretty good materials on this shoe. Because the leather, I'm feeling the leather. The leather wasn't this good on the DMP 6s. But looking at the inside of the shoe, you can have more of that sail colorway tumbled leather. And you have the pattern got going on. Almost look like some type of graffiti. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my little 2-3 on the inside. It's from Tinker Hatfield 2-3. And on the other side, you got that MJ going on. Yeah. Midsole, you got that sail color midsole. Translucent sail colorway around your air housing. White air housing, clear bubble. And looking at the toe box. Look at the toe box. Nice soft leather. And you have some knit material underneath your laces, which is sail as well. The tongue is sail all the way up. Then you have this piece. This color here is not listed on the box. I know it's not sail orange, but let's just say this color is like a light purple with a black Jordan Jumpman stitched on. You have black wax laces. It did come with additional laces. We're going to get into that shortly. And you have a push pin. On this side, it says Nike. And if you flip it over, give you a good look. Got the Jordan Jumpman on the push pin. Okay, all the way up to the top of the tongue, you can see they got Air Jordan, just like they have on all your Retro 6s. Take a look on the inside. The insert matches this pattern here. The Jordan 6s come factory lace so tight, it's hard to get inside there. I'm going to try my best because this is not my personal pair. But you have this pattern on your insert with Nike Air in white lettering and your size is sticker. And you have a white sock liner. Let's see, can we get to that sizing tag? It says US size 10.5. Production date December 18th of 2019 to April 3rd, 2020. So we had a few months of production on these. Both shoes are pretty much the same with a couple of differences. You see the Nike Air on the back of this one. And on this one, you have the Quai 54 logo stitched on. That's the differences between the two sneakers. And gonna get into the additional laces. We have the orange, the team orange, I should say, additional laces, and you have this light purple. These are wax laces, so you got 3 pair of wax laces that come with these, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think of these. Did you cop these on release day? Because I think they sold out pretty quickly because Quai 54 happens to be very popular, and when their sneakers drop, they tend to sell out pretty quickly. I'm not sure what the resale value is on these, but these sold out pretty quickly. Comment below, let me know what you think of this sneaker. Let me know what you think of the video. Me personally, I did not get a pair of these because I kind of like the pattern that came out for the kids better with the brown on it. That one looks more wearable for me. So I'll be on the lookout for it. If a pair comes across my table at a decent price, I probably would, cop. But other than that, this is the Quai 54 Retro 6 for the year 2020. However, the tournament was canceled due to COVID-19, but we still got the Jordan release. COVID has slowed down a lot of things this year, but it has not slowed down shoe releases. It may have pushed them back a couple of weeks or months or so, but we still got the shoes. So comment below, let me know what you think of the shoes. Let me know what you think of the video. Drop a comment. Let me know how you're feeling, where you're watching from. Like to thank you guys for watching. TitanicFeetJack signing out.